Hello viewers, I am Nituraj. A couple of days back, when I was browsing through the internet, I saw something XOBDO.org, and today I am lucky enough to meet the coordinator of this particular website, Mr. Bikram Burwa. So let's find out what is XOBDO. Good morning, Mr. Burwa.
Hello, how are you? Good morning.
Fine, thank you. Yes, Mr. Burwa, can you please tell something about XOBDO?
XOBDO is an online community, and we are dedicated for the development or promotion of Assamese and other northeastern languages in the cyber world. We also strive for the harmony of speakers of different languages in the northeast.
Mr. Borua, right now what XOBDO is doing?
Right now we are developing one website called XOBDO.org. Let me show you the website. This is our old website where we are developing an online dictionary. In fact, this is the world's first and only English Assamese dictionary.
Okay.
And technically, this website is a lexical database of the languages of the Northeast. And now we are developing this a new website. Let me go to the new website. This is our new website. Here, if you give one English word and you can search the dictionary, it can be the other way around. It can be from Assamese to English. Right now we have 9,000 Assamese words and 7,500 English words, and we are working on some other languages of the Northeast like Garo, Khasi, Boro, Mizu, Mising, Mompa, Karbi, Visnupuri, Manipuri, Kokborok, Kuki, Meitei, Manipuri, as well as Nagamese. So we will have around 12 different languages, and we are looking for volunteers to work on this language. Our active project is actually English and Assamese bilingual dictionary, and it is a contributory website. This is a dictionary by you, for you, of you. It means that anybody can become member, and he can contribute words, edit words in this dictionary. So it is a completely user-driven dictionary. So that is the main activity of XOBDO.org. But we are planning in the future to create online grammar book as well as phrase book, so that one language of one speaker can at least say some few phrases of the other languages and so on.
Mr. Borua, can you please show how the website can be used for a new visitor?
As you can see in this new website, you can search for a word. Let us say the English word mother. You are saying this is an English word, and you search the word. It will give you the word. You can see the definition is given, and you can see all the Assamese words: I, Janani, Janmadatri, Matri, as well as the Assamese, the pronunciation in English alphabets, so that a person who doesn't know Assamese script can also pronounce it. On top of that, you can see the same word in different languages. Right now, this word is in Boro, Mising, Khasi, Garo, Mizu, and Mompa. And moreover, if you click this keyword more, you can see something more details. Like the abstract of this is motherhood, or in Assamese matritya. The masculine gender is father, and there is all the words related to father. And the superclass of this category is parents. So parents means father, maybe father and mother. So this type of details you can get against the word.
So, who are the persons actively involved in this project?
Okay, lots of people are involved in this project. I mean, they are spread all across the world. Let me show you the list, for example. This is myself coordinating the entire website. Under all the efforts. Then we have Pallab Saikya, who is a software engineer in Hyderabad. He is the database administrator. He is basically taking care of the internal database, and he is also the architect of the entire database. Then we have got Priyanka Sharma, who is the PhD candidate of linguistics in the University of Florida. He is the linguistic team member as well as he is the editor as well. Then we have got Pratham Sharma of National Law Institute University in Bhopal. He is actively giving feedback of the language part or linguistic part of it. Arup Nath is a JNU graduate from in linguistics, currently working in Google India. He is giving lots of feedback about how to develop the website. Then Jayashree Sutradhara from CDAC is also there. So this formed the linguistic team. Rupankar Mahanta, he is working in New Delhi, but he is a very good editor. He is working as an editor. Then Nilutpal Deka of Guwahati, he is coordinating the team in Guwahati. and we have a big team in Guwahati. Then as far as development of the website is concerned, I am also working on developing the website. Moreover, we have Sakib Rahman who is a computer science student in the University of Florida. He is a very key person in developing the website. Then we have got Rup Kamal Talukdar, who is working in Infosys. He is also involved. Then we have Pallab Datta in computer science department of IIT Guwahati. He is also involved. Then we have got Rajiv Datta from Guwahati. He is also involved in developing the website. Then we have got Ujjal Saike as well. Then Buljit Borburagua, he is a very good publicity member. He's doing a very good publicity for our website. And we have lots of people like this in our team.
It's very nice to see how you all are working so hard to build up this website.
Yeah.
But I have seen that, or most of the members, they are scattered in many different part of the world.
Yeah.
So how do you communicate?
It's all electronic. As I told you, it is an online community.
Okay.
And you can see in my email, for example, here you'll find all these people sending emails to and fro, and maybe in a day we send each other email, maybe 4 or 5 emails in a day.
All right.
And we write all the details, we make some presentation as well and exchange them. On top of that, we have one e-group called XOBDO.org in Google Groups, and there we discuss with the entire group. And you can see we have lots of discussions going on. So these are the means through which we communicate. And in fact, some of the people I have never seen even today, even after 2 years now.
Is it?
We just know online.
Okay.
So there are many people. We are very close as far as collaboration is concerned, but we are far away. We are distant, okay, physically.
Okay.
But we are very close friends.
Okay. It's really an amazing job. In fact, so many people are involved with this. What I want to know, like, I'm a newcomer here. I just want to involve myself in this. So, how can I do?
Okay, that is easy. You just go to the website and you can become a member. Let me show you how you can become a member. Here is our website. Then you can see in the menu there is one term called
Yes.
request membership. Okay, then you will be offered some questions here. So you put your names and all the address here, all the informations here. Then this is important. You have to give one ID so that you can log in into the website, and you have to give a password so that that you will need to log in. Then you submit. Then you will receive an email to confirm your email ID and so on. Ultimately, you will become a member.
So it's just like registering into any other website?
That's correct. It's almost in the same procedure. Okay. Then once you are inside, let me show you. You enter your user ID and password after you have been approved in the membership. That is, you will get in your email.
Okay.
You can then log in. Okay, then you will receive this message, log in successfully. Then now you can see the member, this menu has become bigger now. Now you can go to dictionary, then you can go to contribute words. Then here you can start contributing words here. So at the beginning you will be level 1 user, where you will be allowed to contribute words only. As you progress, your level will be increased, and you'll be able to edit words, and you can able to approve the submissions that some newcomers has submitted the words.
Yes.
And so on. So it is a very interactive website.
Anybody can be a member of this website to put some word in it. If it is not done by any person who is having the appropriate knowledge of those words, ultimately this dictionary will become a garbage.
Yeah, no, it's not like that. I mean, for example, if you log in and if you enter here, yes, now you can submit a word. Let us submit a word. I'll show you how you can submit the word. You go to dictionary and this contribute word. Then okay, what word you want to submit? For example,
anything. It can be a name of an animal.
Yeah.
Porcupine.
Do you know the Assamese word of that?
Ketalapuhu.
Okay, that's great. Do you know the spelling?
It's rather very difficult. Like I may make a mistake, but still.
Yeah.
P-O-R.
Pure.
Or Q. P-O-R. Q. PINE.
PINE, porcupine.
I guess.
Okay,
Right?
that's fine. We are there to edit it. Don't
Okay,
worry.
okay.
You maybe make mistake here.
Okay.
Okay, and the Assamese word is,
Ketelapohu.
you can see, then you say this is step 1. In the step 2, it has said that these words are not available in the database. You can see word not found, word not found.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now you go to the next step, step 3. You'll see the English word that you have submitted is here. This is Assamese word. Then you are supposed to enter the meaning of this word.
Okay.
So you can say whatever is you think is the definition.
Mm-hmm.
And an email. Let's see, you don't know how to write the definition of this particular thing. You say an email. You don't know anything more about it. Okay. Then if you are good enough, you can say it is a noun. Gender, you can say neuter or common gender, for example, because I mean male or female, or all these details. If you know, put it. If you don't know, fine. Then you submit it. Then it will say, you can see these words have been received, hence please submit another. So that's all as a newcomer you need to do. Just submit the word.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is all about submission.
That's right. I mean, for example, this word, let me just cut and paste, and if you go to the dictionary search, you will not find this word yet.
Yes.
Because it has not gone to the main database. You can see, if you search here, you'll say word not found.
Okay.
Because this data has, whatever you have submitted is stored temporarily in a separate table. It has not gone to the table from where it looks for when you search.
Correct.
Okay. Now, after that, an editor will come and he will review those things. Let me show you. Okay, you log out here.
Okay.
Now I'm being editor. Let me log in now. Okay, you see it has become, this part has become red, and I have got a level 5 user.
Yes.
And this menu has become expanded. I have got more features available to me.
Yes. Yes.
Now I go to the review and edit, and then you go to your analyze submissions. There I will find your submission. Essentially, you see Ketelapohu, porcupine, and an email submitted by Rituraj Barua and 0 date. It is, I mean, it is just submitted.
Yes.
Okay. Now what I will do, I will see, okay, this is a new entry. So I have got the option to analyze it. So I will analyze first.
Mm-hmm.
When I analyze it, it will tell me that this words is not available in the database.
Mm-hmm.
And I have seen that this is not too much details is entered.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I will first edit the submission. Whatever you have submitted, first I will edit that.
Okay.
Then I will be presented with the same form that you were offered when you submitted.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. Now I have seen that you have not entered them correctly. For example, this Q should be C, porcupine. Again, Ketelapohu, the spelling is also not correct. It should be Kete. This one Sondrabindu as well. Okay. Let us see. Let us just enter it like that. Now, in the definition, an email is very short. It has to be something longer.
Exactly.
Okay. So you can type in this type of definition. Interspreaded with course here. Okay. In Assamese also, I wrote the definition. Ebit mozoli akarar pithit dighal kait thoka jontu. Then I just check, okay, if these are correct or not. And once I am satisfied with that, I say and save and analyze. Again, that means it will save this data, whatever modification I have done. Then it will, looks like we had this previously. Because before, the spelling was not correct.
Okay.
But now, as you put the correct spelling, it gets.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
so these steps are needed to make sure you have just one entry.
Correct.
So let us see, because this Assamese Ketelapohu has not detected. That means the word is there in Assamese as well.
Yes.
But this spelling is still not correct. Something is wrong. Let us see what is already there. See, there is a Sondrabindu here.
Just a minute. Let me focus it properly.
Yeah.
Just a minute. Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And here on the other side, you have the picture already. This is on interface. You can see the definition on one side.
Mm-hmm.
And you have the Assamese as well. Then you have the picture as well.
Okay.
Okay. So as an editor, I know this word already exists in our database.
Mm-hmm.
So I will go back to your submissions. Then I will not do anything here. Just what I will do, I will just submit it here, something here. Set status to, I will say this is a old entry, already exists.
Okay.
Then I will confirm. So I'll set this. I have not added this data to this word to the database. Rather, I said this is a old entry. It is already available in the database.
Okay, okay.
So this is the role of an editor.
Okay.
And suppose this word is not available in the database,
Okay.
then you may be lucky. You'd be a contributor of that particular word.
Okay.
Okay.
So like everything goes on after proper checking and verification of the words.
Exactly.
So
Exactly.
that's a very good thing, because
Yeah.
otherwise it might make it a garbage.
Yeah, of course.
So
Yeah.
anyway.
Okay. Now you can now log in after 1 or 2 days after the editor has reviewed his data, and you can check the status of your submission.
Yes.
Let's see. Now you are logged in as you in your name, Nitras Borua, and in the dictionary you can so go to submission status, and you'll be presented with the status of your submissions. Now you can say that this is Catalapo Procrupine. This definition was there, but the status you can say O. O means old. I mean, the designs are there.
Okay.
There are lots of codes like that.
Okay.
So all submissions, whatever you submit, you can log in and review the status. What is the if it has been added or it has been rejected or what is it? You can find out as well.
What kind of software that is used here?
The website is developed in PHP. Let me show you some codes here. For example, these are some sample codes of PHP. And the database is maintained in MySQL. You can see this is MySQL, and these are the data, and this entire database is made in MySQL. And as far as the Assamese script is concerned, or any Indic language is concerned, we are using Unicode coding system. And Unicode is a international consortium of coding this type of complex scripts. And as you can see, this is a website of the Unicode consortium. They have recognized XOBDO as a useful resource, and this is a very big honor for us. You can see Assamese phonetic keyboard, Assamese online is available in their website. That's why we are putting this logo.
This is really very interesting. But can you please tell me something more about the multilingual aspect of the website?
Yeah, we started this website as for English and Assamese at the beginning.
Right.
But we thought it is a good idea to expand this website horizontally. That means to other languages.
Yes.
And that's why we started to include the other languages. And we developed the internal architecture in such a way that any number of languages can be included,
Okay.
provided we have sufficient volunteer in that language to enter words. But technically, any number of words can be put into this website.
Okay.
In the main page here, you can see these are some new projects that we're taking up of these languages. As I already told you before, and currently we have a volunteer for Boro language who is entering new words, and for the other words we really don't have any new volunteers, but some of our current members are entering those words looking at the dictionary of those languages. But we are really looking for volunteers of native speaker volunteers of those languages. And as far as entering the words are concerned, again you can go to the menu system here, and you will find this multilingual. Then you see you have this option to contribute words. It is a little bit different from entering English, Assamese or English words.
Okay.
And you can go to the contribute words, then you will be offered a screen like this where you enter the word, enter the pronunciation, then you select the language of that word, and you should write the meaning of that particular word in English, at least one word. Then you submit, then you will be offered some other options, then you just that word will be preserved for an editor to review and really approve that. As a level 1, you can just add the word or for editor to review. Then editor can review those words and add it to the database.
Apart from this, I heard that XOBDO.org, this is also a multimedia website.
Yeah. For example, let us say if you look for this word lion, then you will see, apart from the definition, it has a picture of that animal. We have got lots of pictures like that, and it is not only pictures. We have some sound file as well, and it has got some encyclopedic entry. For example, if you say Bhupen Hazarika, then people give a brief biography of that person. And whenever you see this big E, it means it is not a dictionary entry, it is an encyclopedic entry. So it is not only multimedia, it is also a encyclopedic dictionary.
Great. It's very interesting, and whatever I have understood within this short discussion, it's amazing, and it's
Thank you.
of very
Mhm.
great use to all the people. But before that, I would like to know, since you are putting in so much of effort, is there any mission or vision of this XOBDO.org community?
Oh, that is a nice question. In fact, among the group, we are discussing this a lot. And I have some papers. In this morning, in fact, I was thinking how to put it. So finally, I just wrote a small line about the vision as well as for the mission. Let me read it out. For vision, we have two vision. We believe language is a man-made barrier. So
Okay.
our vision is break the man-made language barrier of the entire Northeast and thereby fuel cooperation among the people and development. Apart from that, another vision you can say is that to bring all these languages that I talked about into up to the mark of this IT age, information technology age. That means put this language in the cyber world or put it all these words digital. So that is another vision.
Okay.
As far as the mission is concerned, mission is something, the steps that you do to achieve those things. As you can see, one of our mission is to develop this website, XOBDO.org. And as I told you before as well, to develop a grammar book as well as a phrase book,
Right.
so that people can collaborate. And also collaborate with people from different parts of the Northeast who speak these different languages and make a website
Okay.
which will help to communicate among the people.
So friends, this is something about XOBDO.org. It's an online dictionary. A dictionary by the, for the, and of the people of Northeast. It's an online community as well. In fact, this is a step ahead to demolish the man-made language barrier, which is evolving as one of the major factor for the problem of Northeast. So, I appeal to each one of you to come forward and be a member of XOBDO so that we can carry XOBDO to a new level. So let's celebrate the linguistic diversity of Northeast with XOBDO.org.